Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making lemon chicken orzo soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 6 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of orzo pasta. I have 2 pre-cooked chicken breasts, which I had cut into small pieces, 2 large carrots chopped, 1 rib of celery chopped, 1 small onion diced, 4 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 lemon juiced, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of basil leaves, and also 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. In a heated Dutch oven, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature over medium heat. Now we're going to add in our carrots, our celery, and our onion, and we're going to let that saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to add in our thyme, our basil, our ground black pepper, our parsley flakes, and also our minced garlic. We're going to cook that for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth. You can go ahead and give that a stir. And you can now add in your chicken breast. Go ahead and mix that. And we're just going to bring it to a simmer. You'll raise your heat to medium high. Okay, now you can lower your heat to medium low. I'm going to go ahead and cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, you want to go ahead and give it a stir. And now we're going to add in our orzo. Go ahead and mix that up until it's well combined. So we're going to place our lid over top. Cook it for an additional 10 minutes. Okay, after the 10 minutes and your orzo is done, I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. You guys can adjust your seasoning now. You can give it a taste. And now we're just going to add our lemon juice in a little at a time. So guys, taste as you go along so you can get it the way that you like it. Once you have everything to your likings, you can go ahead and turn off the heat, and it's now done. Okay guys, so here we have it, our lemon chicken orzo soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.